Snap the X-axis frame into the left Y-axis frame and right Y-axis frame. Then assemble the front frame and rear frame. Then use M5x20 screws to secure the 4 feet. First, push the X-axis frame all the way to the end. Check whether both sides are symmetrical. Then install the screws at both ends of the X-axis frame. Insert the X-axis guide rod through the bearing on the right Y-axis frame and slide it into the coupling on the left Y-axis frame. Check that both sides are perfectly symmetric and aligned. Then securely tighten the screws on the timing pulley and coupling. Locate the ground wire from the limit switch cable. Then secure the ring terminal to the X-axis profile using the M3x6 screw as shown. Take out the laser module. Slide it into the simple fixture on the X-axis via the groove, and tighten it using the thumb screw. Assemble the main cable. Plug in the Y-axis motor cable. Plug in the limit switch connector. Fit the 30 mm corrugated pipe cap. Fit the 10 mm corrugated pipe cap. Plug in the X-axis motor cable. Plug in the laser module cable. Insert the plain end of the tube into the air pump's air outlet. Connect the machine's tube to the laser module at the other end. Connect the end of the pipe with the metal connector to the tube on the machine. Plug the power cord into the machine and connect to power supply. Plug in the air pump. Long press the power button to turn on the machine. Wait for the machine to boot and the laser module to home.